Do you know India's leading baby and kids brand Firstcry is gearing up for its much anticipated IPO in 2024 with 1816 crores new share and a potential valuation of 4 billion. Here are a few points why you choose Firstcry. First, booming market. India's baby care market is expected to reach 22 billion by 2025, making Firstcry a leader in high growth sector. Second, profitable player. Unlike many startups, Firstcry is already turning a profit, making it a potential sound investment. Third, strong brand loyalty. Trusted by millions of parents, Firstcry boasts a loyal customer base and extensive offline presence. Are you ready to invest? Traders Trading Academy is here to guide you. Take our stock market training classes and learn everything you need to know about IPOs, valuations, and making informed investment decisions. In our comprehensive course, you will masters the basic of stock market, learn how to analyze companies and identify potential winners, discover IPO investing strategies, develop a personal investment plan.